Dear students, today our topic for discussion is valuation of goodwill under capitalization of profit method. In our earlier classes, we have learned that how to evaluate goodwill under average profit method, under super profit method. So today we will try to learn how to ascertain the value of goodwill under capitalization of profit method. Capitalization of profit method is applicable in both the cases, that is capitalization of average profit method and capitalization of super profit method. Now there are two types of average profit we have learned in our earlier classes, that is simple average profit, weighted average profit. So capitalization of simple average profit may be done to find out the value of goodwill, and capitalization of weighted average profit also to be done to find out the value of goodwill, or capitalization of super profit method is also there. So মূলধনের মুনাফার মূলধনায়ন পদ্ধতিতে গড় মুনাফার মূলধনায়ন এবং অতি মুনাফার মূলধনায়ন দুরকমভাবেই কিন্তু আমরা সুনামের মূল্যায়ন করতে পারি। আবার গড় মুনাফার মূলধনায়ন দুভাবে করা যায়। যদি সিম্পল এভারেজ প্রফিট বা সাধারণ গড় মুনাফা আমাদের কাছে থাকে, তাহলে সাধারণ গড় মুনাফার মূলধনায়নের মাধ্যমে মূলধনে সুনামের মূল্যায়ন করতে পারি। আবার ভারযুক্ত গড় মুনাফা যদি আমাদের কাছে থাকে, তাহলে সেটার মূলধনায়নের মাধ্যমে আমরা সুনামের মূল্যায়ন করতে পারি। তাহলে সর্বসাকুল্যে কিন্তু আমাদের তিনটে মেথড। So there are altogether three methods of capitalization of profit: capitalization of simple average profit, capitalization of weighted average profit, capitalization of super profit. So first we are taking capitalization of simple average profit method. In our earlier classes, we have learned that how to calculate the average adjusted annual profit, how to calculate average adjusted maintainable trading profit. In the similar way, we have to calculate in step 1 the calculated average adjustable maintainable trading profit. Average adjusted maintainable trading profit can be calculated in the similar way what we have discussed in average profit method. Now step 2, calculate capitalized value of profit. So average adjusted maintainable trading profit calculated in step 1, that should be taken here, into 100 by normal rate of return. If the normal rate of return is 12%, then 100 by 12. If the normal rate of return is 15%, then 100 by 15, in this way. And average adjusted maintainable trading profit we have calculated here by following the same procedure what we have discussed in our earlier classes. তাহলে আমাদের আগের ক্লাসগুলোতে যেভাবে এভারেজ অ্যাডজাস্টেড মেনটেনেবল ট্রেডিং প্রফিট ক্যালকুলেশন করেছি, সিমিলার ওয়েতে ক্যালকুলেশন করে সেই এভারেজ অ্যাডজাস্টেড মেনটেনেবল ট্রেডিং প্রফিটকে 100 বাই নর্মাল রেট অফ রিটার্ন দিয়ে যদি আমরা গুণ করি, তাহলে আমরা মুনাফার মূলধনায়িত মূল্য পাব। স্টেপ 3, ক্যালকুলেট নেট ট্যাঞ্জেবল অ্যাসেটস like capital employed, sundry assets excluding intangible assets unless they are paid for, and fictitious assets. Sundry assets mean fixed assets, investments, current assets, all should be taken but at their present realizable value or at their present market value. But we have to exclude intangible assets if any, if not purchased, and fictitious assets if any. What are the fictitious assets? We have discussed in our earlier classes. For example, preliminary expenses, share issue expenses, discount on issue of shares and debenture, loss on issue of shares and debentures, all these are fictitious assets. Less external liabilities like creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses, other payables, tax payables, etc. are all external liabilities. After deduction of that, we will get the net tangible assets. Step 4, find out the value of goodwill. So goodwill equal to capitalized value of profit calculated in step 2 and value of net tangible asset calculated in step 3. Capitalized value of profit minus value of net tangible asset is the value of goodwill. Now, on simple average profit, capitalization of simple average profit method, we are taking an illustration. Calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit method from the following particulars. Profit of last 4 years were 40,000, 60,000, 65,000, 75,000. The balance sheet of the company showed asset of rupees 3,50,000. The present market value is rupees 3,60,000. And the value of external liabilities is rupees 40,000. The amount of contingent liability is rupees 5,000. The normal expected return on capital employed is 12%. So come to the solution. Average profit of last 4 years. So 4 years profit are added here and divided by 4 is equal to rupees 60,000, which is the average profit of last 4 years. Now capitalized value of profit. So average profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Normal rate of return given here is 12%. So 100 by 12 is equal to rupees 5 lakhs. So this is the capitalized value of profit. Net tangible asset. Assets at present market value. Asset is 3,50,000. Present market value is given in the bracket 3,60,000. So 3,60,000 minus 40,000 is our external liabilities, and there is a contingent liability of rupees 5,000. So 40,000 plus 5,000, after deducting we get 3,15,000 is the net tangible asset. So goodwill equal to capitalized value of profit minus net tangible asset, 5 lakhs minus 3,15,000 equal to rupees 1,85,000. So 1,85,000 is the value of goodwill under capitalization of simple average profit method. Now come to our next method, capitalization of weighted average profit method. Step 1, in the similar way, calculate weighted average adjusted maintainable trading profit. In our average profit method of goodwill valuation, we have discussed how to calculate weighted average profit, how to calculate weighted average adjusted maintainable trading profit. So in the similar way, we have to calculate here the weighted average adjusted maintainable trading profit. Now step 2, capitalized value of profit. So in the similar way, weighted average adjusted maintainable trading profit, what we have calculated in step 1 into 100 by normal rate of return. Now step 3, in the similar way, calculate net tangible assets, sundry assets excluding intangible asset unless they are paid for and fictitious asset, external liabilities including contingent liabilities, so net tangible assets is the resultant. Step 4, calculate the value of goodwill, so capitalized value of profit minus value of net tangible assets. An example here, calculate the value of goodwill under capitalization of weighted average profit method. From the following information, total asset of the firm given 4,75,000, current liabilities 75,000, normal rate of return 10%. Past 3 years profit and their weights are given here, 2017, 18, 19, profits 90,000, 1,05,000, 1,25,000. So there is increasing trend in profit. So weights are ascending order 1, 2, 3. So calculation of weighted average profit we have done in our first step. Year profits as given in the problem, weights as given in the problem, total weight is 6 summation W, product is, so P into weight or profit into weight, 90,000 into 1, 90,000, 1,05,000 into 2, 2,10,000, 1,25,000 into 3, 3,75,000. So profit into weight is called the product and summation of product is 6,75,000 after adding these three. Now weighted average profit is equal to summation product into weight divided by total weight by summation weight. So 6,75,000 divided by 6 equal to rupees 1,12,500. Now capitalized value of profit. Weighted average profit 1,12,500 into 100 divided by normal rate of return 10. So rupees 11,25,000 is the capitalized value of profit. Net tangible asset. Sundry assets as given in the problem 4,75,000. 4,75,000. Current liabilities as given rupees 75,000. So rupees 4 lakh is the net tangible asset. Now the value of goodwill, capitalized value of profit 11,25,000. Net tangible assets 4 lakhs equal to 7,25,000. So under weighted average profit, capitalization of weighted average profit method, the value of goodwill is 7,25,000. Now this is our last method, that is capitalization of super profit method. Step 1. Calculate average adjusted maintainable trading profit as we have discussed in our earlier methods. Step 2. Calculate average capital employed. Calculate normal profit, that is average capital employed into normal rate of return, what we have learnt in our super profit method. Step 4. Calculate super profit. Super profit equal to average adjusted maintainable trading profit minus normal profit. This we have also learnt in our earlier classes. So, step 5. Calculate the value of goodwill. Super profit, what we have calculated in step 4, into 100 by normal rate of return. So super profit into 100 by normal rate of return is the value of goodwill. Now an example, illustration 3. A firm has earned an average profit of rupees 2,50,000 during the last few years. So average profit is given here. Normal rate of return is in similar kind of business is 16% of capital employed. Value of total assets excluding goodwill is rupees 20 lakhs and total outside liabilities is rupees 5 lakhs. Calculate value of goodwill under capitalization of super profit method. So net tangible asset or capital employed equal to rupees 20 lakhs excluding goodwill total value of asset minus external liabilities 5 lakhs. So 15 lakhs is the net tangible asset, which is also the capital employed. So normal profit 15 lakhs into normal rate of return 16%, rupees 2,40,000. Super profit. Average profit given in the problem 2,50,000 and normal profit we have calculated here 2,40,000. So 2,50,000 minus 2,40,000 equal to rupees 10,000. So the value of goodwill, super profit into normal rate of return, by normal rate of return into 100. So 10,000 divided by 16 into 100 equal to rupees 62,500. So this is the value of goodwill under capitalization of super profit method. So today up to this, we will meet in our next class.